Food plays a pivotal role in the survival and overall development of human beings. Therefore, handling, cooking, and storage is very important to promote all-round attitude and perception to learning and also meet specification and hygienic supply of foods in schools. The Lagos State Education District 1, comprising Ifako-Ijayi, Alimosho, Agege, organized a cooking competition for students and food handlers in the district as part of its extracurricular activities. The theme for this year's edition was the use of grains to prepare affordable, delicious snacks, accompanied with a refreshing drink.
We want to develop creativity in the children, and this is one aspect, this is one area that one can develop creativity among the children. Then we also want to make sure that their well-being is catered for. So this year, we focus on the use of grain to prepare a delicious meal. Grains are our staple food in Nigeria, and we want to make sure that children themselves prepare foods that are attractive to them, healthy foods that are attractive to them. So we want to make sure that the right quantity of nutrients are in the meal. Then secondly, we have involved the food vendors. These are the people that supply food to them. So they need to know what these children need. They need to know what kind of food the children are attracted to, especially the healthy food.
It's to sharpen their entrepreneurial skill, to prepare them for future generally. Because by this competition now, if they know what they can do with grain in many forms, when they pass out, they could become caterers, or food vendors. They can use it to prepare cakes and so many things. In short, you can prepare them as an entrepreneur.
The competition had 6 students and food vendors contesting. After the competition, in the students' category, Peace Akindele of Lagos Baptist Senior College, Orile Agege, emerged winner with 191 points, while Victoria Olajide from Ifesuwapo Secondary School, Aboru, emerged winner in the food vendors category with 198 points. Winners were presented with prizes.
I made rice cookies and water pine fruit juice. I used rice flour. I used margarine, nutmeg, eggs. I used milk flavor, milk, and also vanilla flavor. Then warm water. I'm very happy today. I feel honored. I give the God of my father all the glory. My principal, my honorable teacher, my parents for their support. I want to say a big thank you to her. The TGPS, I want to say a very big thank you to her. And this kind of competition will make teenagers to at least know their skill and their talent. Orúkọ kan tó máa ṣe gangan ni àṣùbọ̀. Ó jẹ́ àkàrà òyìnbó Ghana. Àwọn Ghana ló máa ń ṣe. So mo like ẹ gan. Àwọn tí mo dẹ̀ wá táwa ṣe nígbà yìí náà lénìí. Gbogbo wọn like ẹ. Ìgbàdo ni àgbàdo mo rẹ́ bí ògì. So mo wá fi iyọ̀ sí maggi, ẹja àgbódò gbígbẹ àti iyọ̀ ó tán àtàlùbọ́sà nǹkan tó wà nínú ẹ̀ náà nìyẹn iyọ̀ àlùbọ́sà maggi ẹja gbígbẹ inú mi dùn lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ara mi yá gágá orí mi wú inú mi dùn gan-an inú mi dùn gidigidi so mo lè dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn mọ́mì wa tó dúró tì wá.
Apart from the gifts or the prizes, the fact that they have shown interest, it's heartwarming. And the kind of recipes we have seen displayed today is out of this world. We know that our children are going places. We are confident of that.
The program is a yearly program that is organized to arouse the creativity of the children, especially in co-curricular activities like cooking and other competitions. We also involve the food vendors because they are the ones who prepare food for the children in the school. So we also want them to be creative, to try different hygienic moves, different recipes that is hygienic and nutritive to the children.
Any of them could grow up later and become one of the greatest chefs in the country or outside the country. So I like the fact that it is interesting, and I like the fact that they're bringing in things like this that will make students enjoy schooling. When you start things like this at this early age, you don't know what some of them will become later in life. We have a very popular chef right now, Chef Chioma. She's just in her early 20s and she's doing very well. So we don't know what any of them might become at the end of the day.
It's a cycle. So this is the end of a cycle. So during the cycle, the food vendors are trained. We also make sure that they run their medicals annually. And peradventure, if we see any one of them who needs some medical attention, then we have collaboration with the Ministry of Health. So they go to government hospital free of charge. So it's a collaboration, and we are pleased to have this kind of initiative in the district.
Over 99 schools participated in the competition and 12 schools made it to the final.